Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is the security report for Firefox. As today, new version of Firefox is released. We are now at version 90, and it is important for a lot of you that use Firefox to update. And there are two types of people when browser updates appear. Some are looking at the new features, and a lot are, of course, not really looking at features. They just want to have a working browser. But in here there are security updates. So moving to the new version often fixes a lot of security flaws. In this case, Mozilla has, if I count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 security flaws, and of those 10, quite a few are of high severity. So it's important to update your Firefox browser. You go to the upper right corner, 3 horizontal lines or hamburger menu, Help, and Firefox. It will update itself to version 90. So in here you have, of course, the high severity. There's no critical. That's the good news. Critical is really the worst that you can have, but there are several high severity flaws that actually enable bad guys or hackers to get information from your browser. They could steal passwords and usernames and all sorts of things that will affect the browser. So this doesn't even require you to do anything. Just browsing the web in a malicious website can actually do this. So there's one is called use after free and accessibility features of a document. There's granted permissions only. This one is for Android. Out of bounds right in angle, which is corrupt the memory. So there's all sorts of little things like that that could be of high severity. There's a memory safety bugs that are fixed also that were or are possible to exploit once again and steal information. So there's a few of them that are actually fixed in here. There's already security flaws in these browsers. They are human made, so there's no perfect browser. Every browser, Google Chrome and so on, all have these security fixes from time to time. But it's important to, especially it's your first line of defense, as I always say. The browser itself is the protection that you have, the first protection that you have. Once again, a lot of people think antivirus is important. It's not. What's important is keeping up to date the software that you use, because that's your security, and what you do is the security. Antivirus is very far in what security is in computers, and every security expert will tell you this. So update your Firefox browser for security reasons. It will be important. Upper right corner, menu, go to Help, and go to About Firefox, just to make sure that you're at version 90.0 as of today, Tuesday, July 13th, 2021. Enjoy our videos. Please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.